Hi Alexander, I will now go through the design that I have made for the web page and for the Flash tool. First of all, here you see the design for the web page. It's a very simple design. You can only do two things. You can click on this button and this will open up the Flash tool where you can create your seating plan, and you can click on this button and this will give you an HTML code so that you can insert the Flash function on your own page. Here is the design I made for the Flash function. It has all the things that you saw on WeddingWire, but we just designed it in a different way. So it's exactly the same as you've been seeing until now. We added some things here where you can add your guest. You will insert a name here and press add. When you do that, it will appear down in this box. And then I should be able to click on the name and drag it in on an empty chair. Once I've done that, the icon here should get green, and when I add a name, it should start by being red, as you see, so that I can see who do I need to seat more. So another thing that's important is that we can load different XML languages. So that means we should have an XML file for every language. And depending on what the user chose on the home page, if for example he chooses Denmark here and create your seating plan, we should load the Flash function and connect it to the Danish XML file. And the same here, if you want to install it on your own web page, we will give you the HTML code for that, but with the version that loads the Danish XML file. So, and in that XML file we will have text like the text you can see here: room size, width, height, change seat, change size, and for each button there will be a rollover text like insert a round table, insert a square table, insert a rectangular table, and that's it. An important part I want to underline is that these buttons here, this button will be removed, we will not use that, but this one will print the thing you see in here. So it has to match it to be on a normal piece of paper. This one will load what you have done here and positions, the names and all that. This one will, one of them will load and one of them will save. That's up to you. And then we have this button right here. This button will create a link on seatwizard.com. So that means it will create a link on seatwizard.com that will connect this Flash function exact with these data to that link, so that I can send that link to my guests and they will be able to see where will I sit. Besides that, there's this ad right here. This ad should be loaded in the based on some data from the XML file, so that we can change it, change the picture and change where it links depending on which country it is. That's it. If you have questions, please write me.